Wilfred Mula du kemm għalaq 80 sena. Kif għamel meta laq 70 sena reġa' ġie Malta biex jiċċelebra l-għeluq sninu f'art welidu. Miegħu ġab grupp ta' ħbieb mill-erba' tirjieħ tad-dinja, fosthom negozjanti mustaċċuni biex apparti li jiċċelebraw fl-imkien għeluq sninu jurihom il-faxxinu li toffri Malta.
Nies jiġu hawnhekk with no idea about the sophistication of this country. They think that shaykh, club here and a coffee shop there, and so when they come, they are blown away by the sophistication and the quality of the people, the friendliness.
U emigra lejn l-Awstralja ma' familtu meta kellu biss 8 snin. Jgħid li kull darba li jiġi Malta ma jistax ma jinnutax kif art welidu nbidlet mill-lejl għan-nar.
Our infrastructure is outstanding considering the size of the country and the wealth of the country. So I've seen the overpasses. The way to Audish, for example, is so much better now. And the restoration of the churches in Gozo, I've seen the Citadel.
Għalkemm kelma jew tnejn bl-Ingliż żgur li ħarbulu, lil sin Malti jibqa' f'qalbu tant li jgħallem lil martu xi frażijiet Maltin.
No gost niġu hawnhekk, il-mara British, but I'm very proud to be Maltese.
The first thing I learned was Eva Sour. And of course now my favorite is in Hobok Hafna Hanini. But I know now sometimes when I go shopping I think, oh, I need sabuch, I need aoch, I have a pala scooper in the kitchen. I think the Maltese should be very proud of their beautiful island nation, and I think the rest of the world looks at Malta now as a special place, and certainly all of our friends look upon Malta as a special place.
Wilfred u Martu Rose qalu li sakemm tiqbad tihom saħħithom se jibqgħu jżuru Malta xi ħossu li l-pajjiż huwa parti minnhom.